Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Alfa Romeo Giulia versus G37. We'll dive into their core differences, from performance to interior features, helping you decide which luxury sports sedan best fits your needs. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two distinct vehicles, focusing on what makes each one unique in its class. When it comes to performance, the Giulia often boasts quicker acceleration and more precise handling, especially in its quadrifoglio trim. The G37, however, delivers a robust, linear power delivery from its larger V6, known for its reliability. Both offer an engaging driving experience, but the Giulia feels more contemporary and refined in its dynamics. Inside, the Giulia presents a more upscale and technologically advanced cabin with a sleek design and higher quality materials. The G37's interior is comfortable and functional, but its infotainment system and overall aesthetic reflect its earlier design. For those prioritizing modern connectivity and driver assistance, the Giulia holds a clear advantage. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. The Giulia offers a more exhilarating, modern driving experience with cutting-edge features, but at a potentially higher cost. The G37 provides a proven, reliable, and engaging ride for a more accessible price. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize modern performance or proven value. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.